Leave my sister alone, P50.
Oh look, the two-tailed fox is here to help the dumb fox.
Shut up.
Leave her and Tails alone.
Oh look, the stack of Mentos is here to help the two-tailed fox.
What's going on here?
None of your business.
Lib.
Here.
P50's harassing Tailsko and also he broke out.
Did you break out again? Screw off. I'm taking her to the abandoned plant and tying her up.
Both of you are under arrest for beating the crap out of Silver, and harassing the crap out of my California brother's wife, and more. You will be transported to jail.
Not again. I called the cops on you both.
He's right.
God dangered you gassy blue toilet. You're such a snitch. Call me a toilet again and see what happens. Okay, that's enough.
Holy what is it? I felt that those 5 prisoners escaped, including that green Powerpuff Hedgehog.
After you beated me up, me and this Powerpuff Girl Hedgehog are gonna get you back.
Hey, don't you ever call me that again.
Ouch, ouch, that hurts. Stop it.
P50, you're under arrest for harassing the crap out of Tailsko and making fun of GOWS 612. Now get into the police car. Crap, hello, I'm here to replace you. Chrysler, are you okay? No. You.
Oh my god! That is so nasty!
Sorry.
What is it, Snick you? Oh my gosh, you farted! That is so nasty!
That's it. P50, you are under arrest for making Chrysler fart forever. And before we head to jail, Chrysler, fart on P50 one last time. With pleasure. You, a red fox, and Mr. Needlemouse.
Shut up! I am not Mr. Needlemouse!
And stop calling me a derpy cowboy, you rusty trash.
A bullhorn.
Shut up.
Now it is time to trick you. Oh look, a dragon, a wild cat, and a dog. Raffle,
Cyclone.
Ow. How did I not see that coming?
I had enough of you stealing my line. That's it. Prepare to get beaten up.
Not again.
Are you kidding me? I am gonna yell this instant. You are a problem, and there's nothing you can do about it. I am the loudest.
Hold. P50.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm a fire in my God. I swallowed my laser. Whatever.
Cheap Waylon.
Wait, a note for my Snick you from Amy Rose. Ah, I don't care how much you love me, Amy. Oh well, I might as well drink it.
Look at him choke. Look at him suffer.
Oh my god. Snick you.
Hey Amy, why do you like Sonic so much?
I chase him for a living.
I'm getting revenge on you.
What's happening to me? What have you done to me, P50?
That's what you get for catching me inflating you.
Great, now I'm in my undies.
Oh no. I'm caught again. That's right. You made Golden Boy's wife giant and made her terrorize the city.
Do you have any idea what time it is? You trying to break into my van? Yeah, free you stupid minivan thieves. I'm gonna call the cops.
Now it's time to steal a Chrysler Pacifica.
You broke my window on my car.
Oh crap. I gotta flee the scene before she calls the cops on me. Oh look. A Ford Fusion. Time to break in. More Me-files, you want to help?
I think that would be fine. Let's do it, P50.
That's it, P50. We had multiple calls of cars being broken in by you both. Now get into the police car. You are going back to jail. Crap. J-Teeth Guy and Brazilian Hedgehog. Are you guys alright?
Yeah, boss. I think we're fucked up.
I think we're fucked up. Is that the best you got, Frost?
Get the fuck out of here, P50.
Jason, I'm out.
Get the fuck out of this neighborhood.
We gotta get the fuck out of here. We got our hash, let's go. The cops are gonna be here any second now. Come on. Jesus, let's just put the gun. Fuck!
Mobius City Police Department, put your hands up now. You better give it up, Blue Hedge Fox. I broke into a fort and got arrested for that. P50. Oh my god. What the did I ever do to you? You threatened to harass the crap out of SNT. Now come on, get into the police car. You're going back to jail once again. I'll get you all. Every citizen in this town. You need to shut up, P50.
Wow, this bucket tried to threaten me.
Are you serious? Yes? Well, Chief Whalen got him for that.